Hello everyone, this is me Imtiaz Hussain. In this video, we're going to see how to find out the IP address of your computer on Windows 10. So first of all, we will discuss what is IP address. IP address stands for Internet Protocol Address. It is an identifying number that is associated with specific computer or specific computer network. When connected to internet, the IP address allows computers to send or receive computer. So now let us find how to find out IP address of your computer. To do this, simply we will click on window icon, then we will click search. Here we will type cmd. When we will type cmd, here we will open command prompt as run as administrator. Click yes. Then this window will appear. Here I am going to type ipconfig. I am repeating again. Here I am going to type ipconfig. Then I will click enter. Here you can see a lot of instructions, commands and codes here. First is link local IPv6 address. You can see IPv4 address. You can see subnet mask and you can see default gateway. And IPv4 address is the IP address of your computer. I'm repeating again, the IP address of your computer is IPv4 address.